Let me show you how to create seamless patterns in Photoshop. Start by going into File, New to create a new document. Set the width and height to 1000 by 1000. Set the background contents to very pale yellow and click on Create. Next, go into the View menu and select Pattern Preview to see how your pattern will look as you create it. Import any artwork that you like. I'll use these Christmas icons saved in my libraries panel. You can zoom out to get a better view of the pattern. Notice that the artwork repeats itself in real time as I resize, rotate and reposition the graphs. This pattern preview gives you the perfect reposition of how your pattern would look when you're done. You can save your pattern by going into Edit, Define Pattern, and you can give it any name that you like. You can now use this pattern from the Patterns panel or any other area in Photoshop where you can apply a pattern. Don't forget to subscribe and like for more tutorials.